This is a 2010 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, an inline four-cylinder engine. Plus, having just come off lease, this Ford is in like-new condition. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Jack Safro Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1000 East Summit Avenue in Oconomowoc.